Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to export GIFs from private groups on the Telegram app for PC, using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to back up your favorite GIFs and keep them organized outside of Telegram, this method will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open up the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of your tools and settings. Next, from the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on the Advanced option. This is where Telegram places its extra tools for managing your data and customizing the app. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Export Telegram Data. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to download and save different types of information from your account. At this stage, you'll see a list of items that you can export. Since we only want GIFs from private groups, uncheck everything else and make sure to check the box for private groups. Then, scroll further down and find the option for GIFs. Tick that box as well, so only GIFs from your private groups get included in the export. Once those options are selected, click on the button that says Export. Depending on the size of your groups and the amount of media you have, the export might take a few moments to complete. When the process finishes, you'll see a button that says Show My Data. Click on it, and Telegram will open the folder on your computer where the exported files are saved. Inside, you'll find all of your GIFs neatly stored and ready to use anytime you want. That's it. With just a few quick steps, you can easily export and save all the GIFs from your private Telegram groups right to your PC. This is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their favorite reaction GIFs or funny moments backed up and ready to share. If you found this walkthrough useful, make sure to try it out for your own chats and enjoy having your entire collection safe and accessible.